if you saw my previous videos of the bikes that I built from the beginning, then this is what I was talking about with the better parts, more name brand. This is my Subrosa custom BMX. Subrosa frame, forks, Rant tires, Subrosa rims, Shadow Conspiracy pedals, Mutiny cranks. Crap, what is it? Yeah, Lacoste sprocket, free agent seat, Subrosa seat clamp, Sunday handlebar, sorry, Odie grips, Odyssey brakes. Yep. Okay, clamp, headset, stem, free agent. Yep. Real pretty. See you on the next one.